Hello my lovely, beautiful, gorgeous people. It's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. I hope you guys are doing super awesome today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get started.
I've been sitting here thinking about all the things you do for me, how you make me feel. But wondering if it's the same for you, but when you're not around.
Hi everyone, my name is Odette and today I am doing a skincare video blog, questions and answers for sassyover55.com. When I think of the word sassy, the first thing that comes to mind is confidence. A woman who is so confident in herself, the way she lives, how she feels, how she presents herself to the world, living that best version of herself, putting that best face forward, being unapologetic, in the way she does her thing and live her best life. That to me, when I think of the word sassy, that's the first thing that comes to mind. Just being completely comfortable in your skin. SassyOver55.com is an amazing website, guys. It's a beautiful, simple website. It's going to give you some tips on how to start your skincare journey, recommended products, tip sheets, masking, moisturizers, and all of these wonderful things. And I am sharing my journey with you guys on this website because I am so proud to be doing my my YouTube videos without makeup. And those videos will be linked somewhere on this website for you guys so you can check it out. And I have used so many skincare products in the past, and I am sharing everything with you guys on the website, and I do encourage you to check it out. It's a very interactive website. You can leave your comments, you can chat. It is really, really incredible. My skincare routine is very serious, okay? I am over 55. I don't have any wrinkles on my face, and I'm trying to maintain that as long as possible. I use certain products in the morning and I use certain products at night, and I also use certain products during the day. Although my skin is oily, it can feel a little bit tight and dried during the day. So I always have this product in my bag. This is from Osea. This is a Sea Mineral Mist. This is amazing. Just a little spritz on the face, and it just basically wakes you up, and it really gives my skin that little bit of moisture that it really needed. Because of course, you might be sitting under bright lights or something like that. It may be dry in the office, but I just like to give my face just a slight little spritz. And this is an amazing, beautiful mist. I would prefer a facial mist as opposed to a spray, because to me the spray basically would just water down your face, whereas with this it gives you such a lovely mist. You can barely even see it, and I don't think it has any scent to it, but it is an amazing product. And again, it's from Osea, and this is a Sea Mineral Mist. It's going to be in this video blog for you guys. My favorite type of products would be scent-free and alcohol-free. And I'm also trying to go to the clean side of beauty, because so many companies and brands are coming out with clean products right now. And I'm trying to see which one of those brands and products works best for my oily skin. So I would basically say scent-free and alcohol-free are my best types of products. Wow, that's a very important question. High-end skincare or high-end makeup? I would go for high-end skincare, hands down. I would not spend a massive amount of money on expensive makeup. I would never do that. I would prefer to spend the money on skincare that would give me the benefits that I'm looking for, because it makes no sense that I'm buying eyeshadow palettes and all of these things for hundreds of dollars just to sit in my beauty room, whereas I could just spend that money on a really good quality high-end skincare that will really reap the benefit as well. So yes, I will choose high-end skincare hands down. Yes, I use eye creams, and two of my favorite eye creams is featured on SassyOver55.com, and I think they are a great addition to your skincare routine. It really helps to combat the dark circles, the crow's feet around the eyes, and to allow the eyes to look beautiful and supple. Because I think a lot of people use their face creams around the eyes, which really is not a good idea, because the eye creams are always a little bit more gentle and softer around the eyes, and I think it's very important that you do incorporate eye creams into your skincare routine. Skincare tips to share with you guys. Always use a face towel. Never use your bath towel on your face. That's gross. That's why they do sell face towels in the stores. So face towels are always important. And of course, when you see that your face towels are starting to fade, just get yourself another one. Do not use your bath towels on your face. That's an amazing tip for you guys. So this is the end of the skincare video blog. Questions and answers for sassiover55.com. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Toodles!